In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob or remote battery on a 2019, 2020, or 2021 Jeep Compass Latitude without using any tools. First, you will want to eject the key fob key by pressing the key release button. Once the key is released, you will want to put it in the slot above and gently twist back and forth and pry it open. All you gotta do is just wiggle it a little bit and not use too much force. It should open up. Now this key fob takes a CR2032 battery. In this case, I'm using a Sony CR2032, but you can use any CR22 battery. You can use the key fob key to take out the old battery. Now note the direction of the battery. The negative side faces up. As you can see, the old battery is a Sony CR2032, and I'm replacing it with the exact same battery. Again, negative terminal faces up. Once you have the new battery into the key fob, just press the key fob remote together. It should click in. At this point, you're done. You can put the key fob battery back in and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.